Congratulations on watching this free video presentation. This could be the most important video you ever watch in your life. In fact, I'd venture as far as to say that no other video has as much potential to dramatically change your life than this very one you're watching now. In the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly how to effortlessly attract more money more quickly and easily by harnessing the stunning power of cutting-edge neuro-optimization technology. Yes, this is your chance to literally magnetize your scattered, disorganized, latent powers of wealth attraction overnight. And in doing so, gain towering personal power over yourself and others for the rest of your life. You see, surrounding you right now is all the invisible cash you ever want and need. All you have to do is to make all that money visibly materialize. Easier said than done, huh? Not really, especially if you know how. Most people suffering from a limited mindset have no comprehension of just how much money there is actually available to anyone with the will to step up and collect it. Yes, it is very difficult to attract money if you have any negative thoughts about it. But once you come to an understanding that money is neutral, that wealth is natural and even spiritual, it's easy to see that when you have money, it does not deprive somebody else. One of the inner concepts we have to grasp is that the basic principle behind quantum physics, that everything exists as a wave-particle duality. This is the key factor in understanding why some people are rich and others aren't. Money and our ideas about money and abundance follows the laws of quantum physics. In order for money to become part of your life, it has to go from an unformed, ill-defined wave state of ideas, dreaming, wishing, yearning, and vague maybes into a solid state, a dollar bill, credit in your bank account, a coin in your pocket. Remember, all points of abundance, points in our limited three-dimensional reality where money is actually delivered, where transactions take place, are solid particle states, not ill-defined waves. So make the manifestation process work for you. We have to put aside all our ill-defined wave ideas about money. We have to become centered and aligned with the knowledge that we can create all the money we want and then follow through until we get the results we desire. The secret behind all this is something you may already know, specifically that life is energy, money is energy, and there are plenty of both. Fact, the energy you emit due to your beliefs in your unconscious actually creates vibrations. When your vibration and the vibration of money are in sync, you'll both attract each other. If they don't match, however, money won't come to you, or when it does, it won't stay long. Simple, right? The big question is, how do you change your vibration to that of money? Well, you're gonna love what I'm about to share with you right now. Introducing the amazing Wealth Sync audio technology. At last, reclaim your natural ability to attract as much money as you want and need at any time, any place, in any financial climate without struggle. Simply slip on a pair of comfy headphones and let the incredible Wealth Sync audio technology naturally work its magic. Stimulating your brain with Wealth Sync audio technology will reprogram your mind to start attracting money right away. Amplify your money attraction powers and allowing you to attract money and wealth easier and much faster than you can imagine. Eliminate scarcity mentality and turn on your prosperity circuits and unleash your mind on abundance and wealth instead. Tune your subconscious mind into a perpetual wealth frequency, which is always on and working. Attract countless money-making opportunities into your life. You won't be able to stop deals from coming in. Transform your relationship to money so that you're not stressed about where the next paycheck is coming from. Optimize your energy field for attracting money beyond belief. Get what you want immediately instead of waiting for it to show up, and much, much more. In short, with WealthSync, you literally flip a switch that tunes into a wealth frequency that just can't be stopped. If having money, wealth, prosperity, and financial freedom are at the top of your personal wish list, WealthSync will act as the perfect set of tools to make your wishes come true. Imagine not having to work a job anymore. What type of car would you drive? What type of home would you live in? What type of clothes would you wear? Where would you travel? What type of relationship would you have? Would you be happy? Imagine having the time and money to do what you want, when you want, and with whom you want. Imagine smiling and laughing every day, having self-confidence and being in control of your life and the future. Click now on the Add to Cart button below to put WealthSync to work for you immediately. Then sit back and watch as astonishing opportunities and unexpected riches appear in every corner of your life.